Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Feedly Slack integration not posting articles. But first you will need to understand the issue. So usually this happens because Feedly isn't sending updates, Slack isn't receiving them, or the connection between them is broken. So at first you will need to open feedly.com on your browser or inside your browser, and then just log into your account and then go with integration API on the left hand menu. It's the third last option on the under boards. Okay, so just go ahead, click it, and here you will need to find Slack. Okay, so it's on the messaging section and it's right here next to the Microsoft Teams. So just find it and click it, and if it's on, go and disconnect it or disconnect from it. Okay, and then reconnect Slack again and authorize. So this fixes most posting issues extra. And now you will need just to go back to the feeds. Okay, so go with today's feeds or just go with the feeds right here and try to open a folder. Okay, so for example we'll go with the content ideas, right? And right here just confirm that the new articles are appearing. If no new articles, that's equal nothing posted to Slack. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.